I think it's a fascinating topic. I'm really honoured to be here to help. I think 3D printing, rapid prototyping, stereolithography, digital fabrication, call it what you will, is incredibly interesting and fascinating in terms of just how fast the technology is actually growing. You can now buy a 3D printer, a desktop 3D printer for a couple of $100 that sits on your desk and print away.
That you can move to more regionalised or localised manufacture of things. So in other words, you don't have that shipping container transversing, going back and forth to China and picking up, new product for market. You can actually have more localised things.
I think that's the thing to consider, is that if we have every home with a 3D printer printing horrible plastic objects, and as much as you can say you can recycle them, people don't. And then it goes in the bin. So those inherent issues around actually getting people to recycle with them, I think is really important, and it should be taught in institutions.
When you 3D print, it's a very quick way of making a model. But the negative is that it generally is a form study, unless you're scaling the technology. So unless you're actually using 3D printing at a larger scale, where you're actually testing the manufacturing process itself, it doesn't give you anything but form. So it's a formal study.
However, it can, if you're trying to resolve a clip detail.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic technology for resolving a little snap clip or a way that something might, detach or reattach. You're not thinking about the holistic form in that case, you're thinking about an element of that design, which helps you resolve that.
Mm-hmm.